Do you guys remember this Hellcat? Well, you're about to get a more in-depth look at it. Look at that flake. Oh my goodness. And it doesn't have anything on it but some factory slop that they gooped on it. That'll change later. Then his custom gunmetal wheels. Not, just kidding, they're just dirty. So did you get 15% all the way around? And then 50% windshield?
Yeah.
Looks good. So we're doing the rear diffuser, taillight overlays, debadging. Pretty much what we did on his other Charger, the Scat Pack. Maybe a system install, we'll see. We'll see if time permits itself. If you see any swirling, it'll all be corrected. But this color's nuts.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a few things to the Hellcat. We're going to stop confusing people on whether or not it's a Scat Pack or an actual Hellcat, because we had this frame on it when I left the dealership to keep on the temp tag. So we'll be taking that off. We'll be debadging it like my Scat Pack and adding the Luxe Automotive taillight tint to it. And we also have the diffuser from the Scat Pack. I broke a couple tabs off because if you guys have seen that Ikon Motorsports diffuser, it's very, very thin. I busted a couple tabs off of it, but I have a friend who's very good at body work and he fixed it up for me. So we're going to put that on and then see where we go from there. There's a few things that need to be done, obviously, like a good wash, because I still haven't actually hand washed this thing yet. I don't know if you could hear that. It just made a big old squeak. But anyway, that's what we're doing today, so stay tuned and we'll get to it.
Alright, so we got all the, well, I did not, but Luke got all of the badges off. So there's no more Hellcat logo, there's no more Dodge logo or Charger, and there's no more Dodge lettering on the taillight panel. So it's all been removed.
So we have the driver's side fender. This is going to be the first one. This is this main area right here. Now, I'm no professional, but when I do decals, I always like to try to just obviously line up with another line somewhere on with what I'm doing. Now, this is the type of vinyl that if you screw up, you can actually take it back off. Whoop, see, like that.
Rainstorm looks crazy. It's like V'ing down right on that house, like it's emitting from that house. But everything's pretty much done with the Hellcat. I have the mic faced the wrong way, so you're probably not hearing me very well. But the diffuser went on. Diffuser is on. Taillights are blacked out. Badges are removed. What do you think?
Just gonna hit this hole real quick right here.
So I guess he hated that much, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna ride out because it's about to storm really bad. So thanks for having me over, man.
All right, man.
Make sure you guys check out his channel. I'll put the link in the description.
Yep.
And I'll see you guys on the next one.
We'll have a bunch more coming.